Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at some finalizing tools. We're going to be looking at the slice and the save tools located within PrintUP software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. So now the section we're going to get into now, the finalizing, I'll just zoom in here. Finalizing tools on the toolbar. So we've got here a few different ones: slice, preview, and save. We're going to be looking at the slice and save first. Now what the slice is going to do, it's pretty much going to generate a G-code for us depending on the changes you've made. So let's say I grab or select this am.co.za logo, go to preference, add grid. I'm just going to make this a 1 millimeter high and the grid density 3%. We've got that here, and then what I can do, I'm going to zoom in here and quickly add a bit of a step. So if we want to put a perspex in front, I'm going to make a step height about 8, so we leave 2 mil for the perspex. Then I'm going to make this on quite skinny 0.2 step, and then the thickness I'm going to leave the same. Say okay. As you can see here, we've got a nice little step. Now what I can simply do is I click the slice button, and you will notice once I do that, it will actually our preview and save will become available. So before that, there's no G-code yet for the actual design. So I'm going to click slice, generates a preview, not a preview, generates a slice for us with the G-code, and there we go. Now we have these two. So not going to quite go into the preview just yet because there's quite a lot to cover in there, unfortunately, but for now let's go to the save. This is pretty straightforward. You click that, and then you want to navigate to where you want to save your file, give it a name. You can see the format is G-code, and then you simply click save. And now what you can do is this will tell you, okay, the export is successfully, say okay. And then what you can do from there, if you actually navigate to your file where you've exported it to, you can see here we've got our am.co.za logo.gcode. You copy this to a flash drive, and then you can simply just take that to your actual printing machine and then print it from there. So the method is pretty straightforward. But in order to save a G-code, like I mentioned, you just have to make sure you first slice it. Otherwise, they cannot generate a G-code for us. But yeah, otherwise that is it on slicing and the save button. If we head in the meanwhile to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.